As you can see by the barricades, the toll bridge is closed on Dozier Road. Today is March the 28th, 2023, and I thought I would provide a little update on the closure of the toll bridge and the high water on Dozier Road. I don't believe I've ever seen it any higher than this since I've been living out here in Emerald Mountain over 20 years. There the authorities are checking on the flow of the water. And there it is over the road. Quite a bit over the road for most of the way from here to the casino. I think there's one spot that I noticed along the way that is doesn't have any water running over it, but for the most part the whole road is covered with water. Amazing. There's the stretch that doesn't have any water on it. It's a little higher elevation right through there. There you can see the casino in the upper right. And that's the beginning of the golf course right there next to Dozier Road. And it looks like the golf course has become part of the river. Incredible. At the very top of the screen you can see where the water is coming over the road near the yield sign at the golf course entrance. And of course all the fields around the area are flooded. Now this is looking back towards the toll bridge, and then the house is along Rifle Range Road. And there's the toll bridge. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.